Say hello to the newest tool in my shop, my Yale Forklift walkie. So I am loading it onto a trailer to take it over to my buddy Joe Spanier Makes' old house to move his Tormach mill, his Avid CNC router, and his Shapeoko CNC router. To get this thing around, I have to use this tilt trailer that can handle 13,000 pounds because the forklift itself is 6,500 pounds. Now this forklift can lift 4,000 pounds up to, I believe, 14 feet in the air. Loading and unloading the trailer, you have to maneuver around the gap in the middle. So that's what I'm doing here with the back drive wheel so that the two front wheels also come off the slope. We loaded the Shapeoko first, then the Avid, and then the Tormach mill, which is an 1100 with the automatic tool changer. Now when we were done, we also loaded the OhmTech CNC laser cutter, CO2 laser, and we are bringing that back to our shop to make that a permanent fixture there. This thing is a beast. It is roughly about 5 feet wide in the cut area and 3 feet deep for cut. Long and short, this forklift was the best purchase and addition we could have to the shop. It's come in handy. It'll also help save on some freight when it comes to needing a liftgate. So instead of needing a liftgate, I'll be able to actually load freight pieces into the truck and also unload from a truck when I get freight delivered. I've been looking for a walkie-style forklift like this for about the last year. This one just happened to be nearby, and for the right price, pick it up. This forklift will definitely show up in future videos, but just wanted to show off the new tool.